Stop. You're not allowed inside.
Sorry?
Killing my appetite with your pathetic look.
I'm sorry. Any problems, sir?
Oh yes, we have a problem. I want to dance, but that cripple is blocking half of the hall, and what's more, she's ruining my mood.
I understand. I'm so sorry, sir. We'll fix everything. Don't worry.
Sorry? You apologizing to him?
You know what? I'm not up for dancing anymore, and it's all your fault. And you're too. Come on, baby.
Cooper, take her away. Roll her, I don't know, move her, carry her in your arms elsewhere. Thanks God Brooke hasn't arrived yet. And bring that gentleman a piece of cake to apologize for spoiling his mood, you know? Take her to the far corner somewhere.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm sorry, but your table is reserved. Could you take another table?
But I ordered this particular table.
I can't do anything about it. Program failure.